What's up, guys? And today I'm going to show you how to change your Ford fuel filter on a 7.3 liter diesel. Let's get started. All right, so your fuel filter is located right here. First thing I want to do is put a rag in here to minimize the diesel overspill. Use whatever you got. I'm using a t-shirt and a sock. All right, so sometimes this will come out by hand, sometimes it will not, but we're gonna give this a go. And it will not, so you could use a filter wrench. I'm gonna put 2 in there, and then just to break it free, and it worked. If it works, you can't hate on it. All right, that's that. So let's fill to the top of diesel. Let's slowly take this out. Well, first, there's this O-ring. Get rid of that. All right, so it wants to be a little bit of a pain in the ass, so sometimes you just all it needs is, there we go. So here's our new, and there's the old, as you can see. So make sure it's a match, Good. So you're gonna want to put this in very, very slowly, because the filter needs to absorb some of that fuel first, otherwise it's really gonna overflow. So, second. So before I do that, I need to put on the 2 O-rings. This one goes right in this slot right there.
Okay. First one is on. Now you're ready to install your new filter. Okay, very slow. If you do it too fast, it'll just overflow. You gotta let the filter absorb. Some fuel first. Okay. Perfect. All right, so now we're gonna put on, we have this other O-ring, get a little diesel on there. You want a little diesel on it so when you're screwing it back on, you can get a really nice tight fit. Okay. That goes right around there. It's gonna sit on there like that, so. When you're screwing on, just make sure that that O-ring is still lined up.
Alright, so I ended up taking a filter wrench, tightening that up snug, get the rest of it. Put a paper towel while it's running, and just to confirm that there is no leaks. Alright, so I'm going to cycle the engine on to get the fuel pump going so I can prime the fuel system right now, get any air out. I'm going to do this, hold this for 10-20 seconds. I'm going to do this a few times, cycling the key on, then turning it off, cycling the key on, turning it off, cycling the key on, and then I'll fire it up. I can hear the fuel pump turning on. All right, it turned off. We'll do this again. All right, let's try to fire it up. And there you have it. Thanks, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate all the support. And on to the next video. I'll see you guys again soon. Thanks again.